Hello everyone, this is Bradley. Yesterday I uploaded a demonstration about how I used animation node to do pendulum wave animation. At the time, there were definitely some issues with the node tree that made it running so slow, and that's why I had to figure out how to improve the animation or actually using physics. Coincidentally, I have seen a post about a pupil rigging. You can find this post from the link in the description. It's a post for Maya, but the principle can possibly apply to any 3D or 2D software using sine function. It's a very simple mathematical issue that if you translate the z in sine and translate y in cosine, now you drive a point along circle. I applied this principle to my animation and I got it works out perfectly. So now I can make this entire animation in real time. So this is an update of demonstration which will be more interesting, and this makes it more certain that I will make a tutorial about this because I think this is simple and interesting. So let's see the demo and see whether you will be interested in doing this or not. So here is the demonstration. Please be cautious with this frame per second. Enjoy the music and I'll probably see you in the actual tutorial. Bye bye.
It might not be the right time, I might not be the right one, but there's something about us I want to say, 'cause there's something between us anyway. I might not be the right one, it might not be the right time, but there's something about us I've got to do, some kind of secret I will share with you. I need you more than anything in my life, I want you more than anything in my life, I miss you more than anyone in my life, I love you more than anyone in my life. It might not be the right time, I might not be the right one, but there's something about us I want to say, 'cause there's something between